Hi everyone and welcome to Saving with Jessica. Today is Saturday, September 5th, 2020, and I'm going to be updating you guys on my Make It Rain Savings Challenge. I'm so excited because this is my last deposit for the Savings Challenge and the challenge will be complete. So let's make these deposits and put this money up. So I'm making a deposit for August 28th and for yesterday, September 4th. So here's my money. I have an extra 20 because I did say last week that there was going to be an opening on the bottom of the board and I wanted this to be completely filled. So I'm putting in an extra 20. So now this is it. This is a completely filled board, filled with 20s. I completed this challenge. All I did was I saved $20 per week for the past year. And this is exactly what I wanted to do. And honestly, I cannot be happier. This looks so cool. If you guys want to do this challenge with me, I'm starting this same challenge again next week, but with $10 bills. This is amazing. I say this every single time because I can't believe how it turned out. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please press like and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.